Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing Cubase 14 and Nuendo 14. Both are made by Steinberg, but which one should you choose? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what they have in common. Both programs share the same audio engine, so sound quality is identical. They both got major updates in 2024 with new drum machines, pattern editors, and 6 cool modulators that add movement to your music. You also get the same new effects like shimmer reverb, studio delay, and underwater. The score editor got a huge upgrade in both, based on their Dorico software. So, what's different? The biggest thing is what they're designed for. Cubase is built for music makers and producers, composers, beat makers, anyone making songs. It's got everything you need for recording, mixing, and creating music. Cubase Pro costs $580. Nuendo is the big brother focused on post-production, think film sound, TV shows, video game audio, and dialogue work. Nuendo costs $1,000, almost double the price. Here's what makes Nuendo special. It has AI-powered speech-to-text that transcribes dialogue automatically, saving hours of work. There's adaptive background attenuation that balances dialogue against music and sound effects automatically. For game audio, it connects live to Wise so you can hear changes in real time. It supports higher surround formats like 9.1.6 for Dolby Atmos, while Cubase stops at 7.1.2. Nuendo's also handles 4K and 8K video better. The update cycle matters too. Cubase gets updates first, then Nuendo adds those features plus its own exclusive tools. Upgrading Nuendo costs about $200 each year, while Cubase upgrades are cheaper. So, here's the bottom line. If you're making music, producing beats, or recording songs, get Cubase. If it has everything you need and costs half as much. But if you work in film, TV, game audio, or need advanced dialogue tools and higher surround formats, Nuendo is worth the extra money. For most people watching this, Cubase is the right choice. It's powerful, affordable, and perfect for music production. Thanks so much for watching, guys.